Hi YouTube, this is Alan. This is Strikerman 625 with Keisha Hobo 1. And in this video, we're gonna be reviewing paintball. Keisha Hobo, we don't know each other in real life, so we're gonna video. So he's gonna chat on Roblox, and I'm gonna chat in real life. Whoops. Okay, that's probably recording me. However. Okay, so this is going to be a game review by Strikerman65 and Keisha Hobo. In this game review, we are going to be reviewing Paintball by Daxter33. It's nearly got like, I think 23,000, oh shoot, 23,000, I got 23,000, place visits, and the second most visited place on Roblox. So that's pretty nice to review like a little game, and it's a pretty easy game actually, because the controls are easy. Really just buy stuff, you know, get your gun and all that. So there I am right now playing with my friend Keisha Hobo. So here's me and Keisha Hobo. We are playing paintball. We're on the same team apparently. Alright, so where are these red people? They spawning here or something? Alright, I see them from over here. Alright. So just ignore these guys over here. Like, there's an area of people, just ignore them. And here's asking, how do you pick guns? What the? Wow. I didn't, okay. Here are the control, wait, let me see the description. Alright, see, this is a game. There's a link, and controls. Select your paintball gun, Q, left shift run, throw pink grenade, R reload, C clutch, and yeah, that's it. So the controls are pretty easy. Oh, that guy's good. That team's a pretty good team, I guess. And then keep spawning by the red area for some reason. Alright. Yeah, they kinda like killed us. And the scripting is pretty good in this place. The lobby is kind of like regular. The maps are pretty nice. And some people kind of can be like a little bit like, I can't say stupid because I don't really like that word. But some people can be like, you know, sometimes people, what's it called? They can get on your nerves or something. But yeah, oh shoot. Alright, there's an attack for me, I guess. Gotta get back in. I left someone to come for me. Really, the object of this game, is just to shoot everyone and try to win the round. So yeah, let's go upstairs. And what I really liked about this game is graphics, the building. Like I like exploring the map sometimes. You know. Alright, so here we are playing a team deathmatch. We are killing it, as you can see. I've got 7 tags. I guess we'll be you guys going down. Okay, there's a blue guy in here, I think. What? It's a... Look how my pimple gun's on it. What the heck? Alright, read the description again. Alright. Oh, okay. That's cute. Okay, it's not working. Yes. Escape. Go back. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. Oh, P to change your weapon. Alright. P and then P to change your weapon, I think. I guess this game, I don't know, this server's either glitched or something. But, yeah. So, thanks for watching this video and the game review by Kisha Hobo and Strikerman625, aka Sticker, but that's how I pronounce it. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. See ya!